When the kings are ruled, they have their own authoritarian powers. Inti yadukwa himfie na se BBC a. Ohono inti ma enipa na tim patamu ho nyina nim say there is a leadership. But can right. Kraman right. Kraman the Quran enim nyansa chen.
FM.
Inti amasa ne tumi na empanifo ni kura to exercise it in our community to tame down a free omusa. Inti media me force to reinforce it. Say parliament our kwanya bi na force say to enforce the law to make sure say at least community ni kura betimi achi obi apaneshina. It is very important. When you betimi keep our eyes on it. Rather than so could never be to say any right.
Okay.
All right, any day.
I mean, honorable could do
the man who is here. Now, my cancer.
Wrap it up.
Yamfanya Paibo. Na yenti ni yechi forever.
Mate. Honorable, ma yenti wansa na main kai mo se Franco Trading, TCL, Dependable Herbal, and a Global Light and a boy. The other discussion segment, no, Abraham. Honorable Edward Yenti.
You be me the vaccine. Zana ai CNN for no friend. The vaccine. Yeah. Ebe shase. Ano pay na me hwe GTV. Na me who say play na Belandi. Even before I play na Belandi and run na and then I'm social media.
Say on Asempa FM.
Ya dia be tuja press release. So china hanopa play Belandi na play ne Landia. Ye be bushri. Na ye di abishia play ni no na niema igu play ni mu no ye bibia NC wo oman bia so ye de ye beba bebo se ne asadoa na ye de abokiti na ye di abishia no, and people really felt resentful about it. Nti amanfo to say e kan madwin. Inti anopa na me hwese ebeko sen. Thankfully, I think the organizers themselves realized the pageantry about it wasn't popular.
Was not necessary.
It wasn't necessary. You know, they had to tone it down to a certain ceremony just to
receive it symbolically,
and then let it go. And I think so mo betie Ghana for the way I did na ebeboa, because you see 600,000 of 30 million is 2%. 2%.
It's a flash FM
in a pan. What you say? It's a new Biblia. Sabi, ye did to ye. Even though for now it can the targeted group now, they almost started. Yes, they needed health, frontline health workers, security, few political figures, and there. It's all right. But this is pittance compared to because, of course, you can free more, like immune system here. That's like 15 million or thereabout. We are just talking like 4% or thereabout of the targeted a year more. Please, it is not the time to make so much noise about it. Number two, it's not as if some of us, we are, when we ask questions, not as a, anti-government and answer issues with. But you see, if you want to do things like this, so that you close the gaps are a microphone
saying on Asempa FM.
A kind of saying I don't know. Suspicious is not the word.
Skeptical.
So what you say? Because as at now, people are already worried because of the prejudices. Your poison system no with. Uko social media, even from the UK and the US, nurses, doctors, and some WHO workers, all my videos almost targeting the African continent. Say, my so say yɛde saa vaccines no bɛba because there are some nneɛma bi wɔ adwumpo bi wɔ akyire and all of that. They poisoned the atmosphere long ago. So people are skeptical. One would have asked, say, or that's a thought, say, before I did Nanka, the Food and Drugs Authority, National Ghana Standards Board, and the various research authorities here, they would do a much thorough job based on OMO findings.
But we are told the FDA has done that.
That's what you are told. I am not convinced.
You are not convinced about that?
Because what they are saying is that somebody asked whether the variant of the strain, Aquacomachi, the AstraZeneca, friends, a formula now to see whether vaccine now it me fighting
You think they've not done that?
They said. I'm going to say they. I'm referring to the Food and Drugs Board.
Oh, okay.
Almost say they got the literature in terms of
Asempa FM.
Say Yatro say when and when they did their whatever based on that literature, that is the certification now Modiama. And not because, like I was asking, whether they have matched, and I say, yeah, research, you use the product versus the virus, now, test. You almost say that would have taken them 5 months. What I say? But they had only 2 weeks to come to a certain understanding. Do you understand? So here is the case. This vaccine that has come, it is based on findings now
on Asempa
and not based on the fact that you have share condition because variants no dosu. Brazilians dear or South Africa dear or other nema for so dear or Ghana also be and we have not done that as a country. TCC based on okay we any actual paper so that is what we have done and we have certified it. And for me I think say when you are a statutory authority now you be say to avoid doubts and skepticism that have built up over the years, over the months. But
there are those who also would argue, say, when you have people dying, I don't know, say FDA were one of the international standard labs in the world. They've gotten that certification recently, comparable to any other lab anywhere in the world. Or more their friend or emergency certification. Because people are dying, you need to get these drugs into the system. And say, go through Sadiana, you are still not convinced?
You see,
so my emergency certification.
You see, say, oh yeah, we test me individually, and I'll be the side effects. Test no, FD now wait me the mitigating factors are Uber setting up as a buff, a kind of say, a supporting in case the side effects become overwhelming. As we speak, where is the fallback and what is it?
Okay, it may be even if there are those plans and they've not communicated same.
That's what I'm talking about. Okay. We live in a very vulnerable society. Let me not make anybody scared. I'm being very truthful, and God is my witness. I am being very truthful. I have a friend, UK Oba, who had an underlying condition, and we now COVID.
Asempa FM.
Vaccine no buy no, and I
ne hoto ni wie no
ekosi sen on
onya COVID na ne hoto ni wie no and na vaccine ne buy okowo bi. Okay,
she's dead as a result of complications from the vaccine.
Oh, really?
I'm telling you the truth. In person,
In the UK?
or UK.
And was it the same company?
And
Was
yet
it
the same
AstraZeneca
company. This is
again?
a draw.
Okay.
Side effect. Maybe na yeke. In kasa ibisi wa. But you see, these are things that when you hear, it puts you in a certain straight jacket.
Yeah.
It is a say be bar. So you need to convince yourself. Say ampa. Oma yewe. No mo ye no say no mo aye. So that the vulnerable people in our society,
Asempa
we can
FM.
stand in for them. Because because you see ebeboa. We have to stand in and ask the questions on their behalf so that we get the right people to answer those questions for us. Into more journalists, the media house like yours, you can take these things up and check. Media, because this thing I heard yesterday, I wasn't happy with it.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
They must come in with a more convincing. I didn't about to do that. Do you understand? But we also are not paying them to do a shoddy work. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So let's put pressure on them. The first 600,000 they still have time to do something better and answer those questions on our behalf, so that we don't. Because a free gift. A friend of COVAX,
Yeah.
COVAX. Global, the I'm about together. And like you said, a poor country. So, and for me, the little I know, on Tiasia, but you see, over here, we are not doing Ghanaians any good service. Because near a pushy Emma Ghana first, no. It's not because Nana Akufo-Addo did anything. It is because the last 1.5 months, no,
Asempa FM.
it has beaten us bitterly across the world.
More than some of the other countries
In Africa.
You sure about
Yes.
Have you checked the data?
You check, not me. You are a journalist and you have a media house. Me say that's what mean. Me come as an officer. Have I check? Oh, I check it. Well, yeah. So as long in the south, we are no better. Mami come as me see. The last 1.5 to 2 months, the COVID situation in Ghana, the surge, is so overwhelming across like over the African continent. We have apart from maybe South Africa, consistent over the past few months, Yet so this thing would have gone to South Africa, except that almost rejecting the AstraZeneca type, because almost test, almost strain, AstraZeneca for the intimino. What I say? So there's consignment that should have gone to South Africa. They rejected it.
FM.
And I available. Just say you pushy and the next other country that has had an overwhelming surge over the past 1.5-2 months. It's you
allowed him to say this without any proof.
And
I've been happy when you say that vaccines, and it's serious thing.
What's a vaccine?
What's a vaccine? In case of South Africa.
And I won't.
And because
you haven't heard.
Ghana.
Haven't you heard? When I can say your initial you was 350,000. 1 car.
Yeah, me kind.
It's 259 back out if you in a buy. And that was a drone 61 yes is a man for.
That's it. Yeah, I'm sure it's really negotiated.
What do you negotiate now? 2%.
2%.
It's not there. You don't control it. No. Pacho Kasaman Kasa. Allow me, please.
Okay, some technical chairman, Pacho. Kasa. Why? But we are now Pemra. We now can give you.
At the Juma of food and that.
But you can allege something.
We say, Obi, the naysayers said the same thing when FDA approved the testing at the airport. Tell Honorable Edu Asare that the infection rate in Lagos alone is almost more than the infection in the whole of Africa. South Africa stopped temporarily using AstraZeneca, but they have started using it now. Honorable Edu Asare, some information just to guide your discussions. The way said, Belshaw.
Oh, yeah,
I don't know.
Please, why are you taking his word over mine?
Now,
I'm sitting in your studio and talking to you.
Have I said, sir? This is just information.
Take this information because he's not the only person who's reading.
Fair deal. Well, sir, COVAX is giving vaccines to 20% of the population, not the entire 30 million plus of Ghana's population. Honorable Edu Asare is doing his politics as usual. A champon here in Accra. Okay, Nti Belshaw no say the answer Kwabena Sapon. No, in one funny day I checked his name, registered name on WhatsApp no, and me dey Belshaw about the idea about Kwabena. You know Kwabena Sapon?
Of course.
Okay.
You know, some about studio had that only.
Oh, the
slim guy.
Oh, that's him. Okay. Hey, we watch it.
No, someone to me for a new faceless talk with authority. No, I can't. I'll challenge you. No, I'll challenge you. I mean, just that. First, no, Nipa me near him. I wouldn't have accepted somebody like that. But now that there's a face to it, at least. But I'm telling you, sir.
And I'm saying I agree that principle of the name, you know. But my point is that now he's challenging your statistics.
Please. I don't believe what he said. I've said it, and I want it.
And what you are saying is not true.
Keep quiet and let me end my story. You know, all I'm saying is that you see, as a country, as I say, you need be pepe. Well, now food and drugs board for we can say
food and drugs authority.
We are about here. I'm paying you for also be, but now I'm coming for some anything contrary to what I've said. I'm coming free in. You understand? But that is what their PRO spoke on. Well, you know, like I was saying, Nana Akufo-Addo should not like my brother Kwejo should not make it look like Nana Akufo-Addo's effort has paid off. Because
and do you think the government of Ghana hasn't done
No, of course. Every government across the world is doing something.
Absolutely.
But all I'm saying is that the fact said Nana Akufo-Addo was some special you can't say connection or contact or whatsoever. Udimsa America, they told their friends, the nationals not to fly into Ghana earlier in this month.
Yeah, that was one of the warnings about more.
Why will they do that? Why do you think they did that?
No, at the time, so the spike was
exactly my point. And they have businesses here. They have their people here.
The interesting thing is that more issues are warning. They had West situation in their.
That's not what I am saying. Because they had West, they don't want to worsen it for their people to go into a territory. You can say, so they were warning their people, so they will know, say, maybe will be free. When you're careful, say. But that is also to tell you, say, all those influences. So, warning it brought attention to our country.
Asempa FM.
Do you understand? It is on the table of order of priority. And then the kika. Those were the things that shot us to the level where say she shared name okay, Ghana. Because a Hona issue You beat me, and that is what has happened.
Okay.
And not because the president.
Those are speculative.
And yes, speculative. But what news are you?
LGBTQ.
2
minutes.
Let me just. Oh, what they? Then I'll Then I'll
Because I want to rebuttal that.
Battle there.
Chairman, we are no mama omre trouble.
Because I don't start here.
LGBTQ 2 minutes.
We are because me say me Andy.
LGBTQ 2 minutes.
Right. Obi. We anya the same way say yetwim bebre. I'm say kojo aka the best part of it. I think say I have said it. Say me mbano. So mumu bia decide say obeye sa kwasiade na. I won't be there for them.
Saying on Asempa FM.
Oh yeah, I will drink poison.
That's it. You accept say you failed as a parent.
Exactly. Because we started bomb pie mama mba na me wu ye. You understand? I started praying for my children before they were born. And who are so no me bomb pie and I just say I prayed into their future. Say omobeni abeye mpanyimpa aye oman bapa. So whatever they are today, Nyamia do, Nyamia protect your move for me. And I have not stopped praying. I am still praying into their future. Say Nyankopon engade omu say na onfa mu enkodu baby a opese odi omudu. It will a parent. Na say wo ti ho. Na say wo twen ama oba akoye, excuse my language, trumu answer. What at your bonfire? Then you are late. And you buy some, and you, what's the word? I buy some. Don't sit there and assume, say, a societal, a demonic. It is from the devil's camp. There is nothing human about it. You know, fear. Don't, of course, like I said this morning on GH1, me see. Ghana how be a new obebu obi oyegi and I say obe manhandle no. We won't do that. Because we know they are in the country. Excuse me, in behind the scenes and under the sheets. Obi amba so omukon. Enti almost say me do call police station. Into amon kawa. No mu di omon kwasi asem no. But say ye ba bet nancy open advocate. No ma be jina ho. Awusu so omo kuta bag embema akwa ma no atrechre yen we will accept it. Now asofo bilin ababe kase no ye de ye betimi a blessing on marriage ni ye keka ka ho. That one almost setting up asoro ho eja betom we ka say eja betom ayen ko soja ento, but we will come there and fight for our culture. Because on Asempa who say asofo akasa against it. Me who say Muslims akasa against it. Me who say if a friend saying traditional rulers akasa against it. Me who say omo almost sum abosum ebi akasa against it. And this is what our society is made of. These groups are mabodi omoda yen Ghana your society no so we Christian we Muslim we Muslim we traditional whatever. This is what we have. So if all of these groups are saying say we don't want it, when never mind and say service no it will not happen. Me person may the political bit of it, but you see, you cannot take the state out of it. So same way, every now and then, don't kwejo kase president so kasa, and president was per se, and I per se yetie no, ye per se yetie a buying because you see almost setting up office, and EU penyinfo bi.
Yeah. Echo launch, no, the launch of the office.
You know so no. They don't work in
FM.
this country on their own volition. They are envoys. Jomoba, they bring their letters of credence to the president and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. And say Omoba, they know our cultural values and the things that we can share in common as cultural and those that our society frowns upon. Whereas an officer from the EU comes to do something that contravenes the EU of our state,
we can take action.
We can take action, and that is where government comes in. That is where government comes in. It's na Kufuor per se, and I hear pen and but the government cannot escape. This particular not just has spoken. I'm giving you what the government should speak about, because now this one, the government has a you to expel you.
But do you think the government has been molded?
Is it about knowledge or is it about action? Is it about knowledge? I know they know, but what have they done about it? For you and I,
behind the scenes diplomacy.
Is it behind the scenes diplomacy you and I are talking about?
No, relative to the EU envoys.
If you say America, that's how they will see Kabana, CNN, and country, the whole world says, diplomat, you are expelling. Do you think by now America will not let CNN, Fox, whatever, C-SPAN, whatever, and Kabana, I say, Papa, no, you are expelling from the country. Why are we talking diplomacy here? The guy has done something that contravenes our cultural values. And we are talking about diplomacy again. Oh, please.
Kujodu Asare, and Yaten Kanenti, he has taken a strong position. Say yes, because that's what amazes me. Because Yenim say you want man yimono since nananomum reso in our schools in baby yenim say Sanyo man yes ekoso. Said here, a man for your bonibia, Sanyo we know. But to get to the level where there is open advocacy for something, because Maka Wahada said, Sawusha universal right, sexual right is classified as a human right. But as far as your constitution is concerned, sexual right is a human right in our constitution.
No.
You understand?
Yeah.
Your constitution recognizes your customary laws. Per your customary laws, no, marriage in your custom, a union between a man and a woman. Customary laws recognized by the constitution. If you are advocating for BBA, running at variance with your customary laws now, we cannot allow that. It's very simple. Because you cannot form a movement. Pushy for we should allow a man and a man to get married. Because that's the aim of the advocacy. Say you're free, intimate and worry. That cannot be. It can't. It can't be. It's say behind the scenes. And I'm fair deal. But we elevate it to a level, say we should be giving. No, that cannot be. That cannot be.
Advocacy now, yeah, come on.
Oh,
so what you say? Because
I get your point.
Because at a certain point, between FM, we are against it. We have issued strong words. Okay, make us say on the background, or no, we are threatening them. No, it is good for them because something is happening in the country now.
Discussion, Ekoso.
Yes.
And this is what
they want to propagate.
Yeah.
Oh, let's
get you.
So the agenda Obi is not for today. The agenda is for the next 50 years. Yeah. But not that advocacy.
Normalizing.
So ebia na say the kwadwani abri that am no we come yes no na
Empire.
Nti-
You see, your mind, your sorry empire.
That's what I'm saying.
We can build our country.
So-
I'm telling you.
so-
You're relaxing. Other influences are taking
take
over
it.
these things.
So that's what I'm agree say. Yeah, you know.
we read the BBS sending messages here. Say we hear WhatsApp emojis, no, and people have not realized it. So we emojis no on WhatsApp.
Emojis, you say me am tia kwa me say that say na no pa na make true be say o true me mu kakra.
Okay. It also emojis now.
Okay.
See, and there are some of the emojis kojo obehu oba ne oba. Oba ne oba ne omomma. Bema ne bema ene omomma. Oba, you see,
It's-
that's certain way. So the agenda is to normalize the practice. It is here. There are emojis oba ne oba, and there are cartoons.
Of course.
Cartoons
Of course.
there are gay characters in cartoons.
That's right.
It is here. Starting with emojis. Oh yeah, WhatsApp. Oh send you be when in course. But when you oba ne oba and kwala mi enu jino manim. It just say. And mommy, you need to know
they can raise
they can raise
children.
Just to normalize the thing. In the US now, you see, I enter the curriculum into Ubana innocent child now holding a school, no, because somebody is lobbying for baby somewhere in Intino. Akwalazia, the definition of marriage to the child, yes, a son. Yeah, cancer is here language correctness. Into won't mean come mother. Won't mean come breastfeeding. Because mema mienu aware there is nothing like breastfeeding for feeding won't mean breastfeeding
no insemination ma ba ko no be ma ba ko
adoption.
There is a way they would adopt.
No. Let's have proper discussion. Why you see, Obi, we are lacking a certain. I make us a name. Yani ya buo mama promote o mkwasa se no.
Wow, for some reason Donald Trump na pen has him now.
Agree
On this particular way part I tell you the truth, say. Just say it is one thing a man for the past 4 years. The whole world. Same way it was. Excuse my language. It was relegated. That's why you can't even discuss it in America. You know, say it will be heavily met
at the time. I'm not in the picture.
Just 2 months, so say and all of a sudden this has become everywhere. A discussion for the world. For me, I think that
quickly, I agree with the Dua side. Those diplomats who took part in that illegal act must be expelled immediately. This will send a message to our Western friends that we are not prepared to tolerate that quote nonsense in our country. Ask the West, why are they not going to China to ask them to practice that?
Exactly.
They trade more with China than they do with Africa. This is the time we have to stand up to these Western nations, and especially so when they've elevated polygamy to a treasonable offense.
Can you imagine? Oh, now my definition of polygamy freaking me out too much. I say polygamy is not men having too many wives. It is women ensuring that women have husbands.
Very simple.
All women have husbands.
And that has been elevated to a treasonable offense.
Who say bonny now the enkraman crowd na me respect him so much because some mun so musa enti obi me I feel like they said the kojo kan quietly cry say diplomacy said the kan say backdoor diplomacy cry action must be taken. Say the fact that say your payam from to public, you can still spell the person out. Someone mum kro say because it's like and the can Saudi Arab countries now you say it's against their culture now. So does anybody talk about it? Oh, you to me can want some minimum you don't so because just a minute.
Oh, let me finish this and then you continue. Iran,
yes.
Say Iran Sharia law. Say Sharia law.
Yeah.
Alcohol near Chiwa.
Yeah. So
you call Iran Obi Beton whiskey my a hotel.
Wow, sure. But this thing cannot be made public there because
that is what I'm saying. I'm just giving you a background. The hotel somebody came and sold us black label.
Exactly. Oh, me say,
whatever.
Asempa FM.
Whiskey, every team, no. So, like you said, things are happening behind the scenes.
But let's
remember, conscious of the law.
Yeah.
Into the Oyekra. So what is it?
But this public advocacy thing, it's irritating.
One of the best alcohol. My first time, me who kunyaka esi ya mount to a year. U done in a general chain. What chain? Now this a nipa that's an in done in the sea.
No,
huh? A nipa the beche, nipa na American as a no free Saudi na neighbor no the beche. But I know kojo kan no. What mean? No. That doesn't mean say something is not happening. To me, you can't discuss it because it is against their law. Oh, me, I dare acquire me. Yeah, I'm not Jonumu promote to say now the first black about America now Obama Ninema. What I say? It is one thing we have to realize. Say, he's one of the failures that we. No. I can say my point. I don't know politics will be our idiot. No, but what I'm trying to say is that. At the time of Motra, over Bush vowed to do the constitutional amendment to bound these people out of the country.
But Unim said the challenge in a country like America, the president might have an opinion, an outlook on things, but the states now are mandated to make laws governing their own state. In the US, some states have decided to agree.
I am
president. No position will not really matter.
Also say gay, best Bush and
Asempa FM.
No.
George Washington time
never. Yeah, that's true.
Okay, but because it was a Christian country, they bound it and you're constitutional. So bet me I catch on to say Obama be passing law.
Saying on Asempa FM.
Say they have right. Say and that Burma sorry bet me I call bathroom and then go assess him.
And you see,
in the military,
you can say a common
so if you go and discuss it, no, guys say no. What I say?
Years ago, they used to do recite our Father name, the Lord's Prayer, any Psalm 23 cry there.
The Lord is my shepherd.
A school curriculum
because the gay lobby, they are another level. And only NRA that is here. National Rifle Association.
When I went to Brazil,
the lobbyists,
the almighty Brazil. Now, enyumre, they say, Charlie, we were bored. So we are quite far.
Are they on the World Cup now?
Okay. You call World Cup. You call nightclub. I call Henry. Teja, you call it big place. NASA. You label. Place lesbians.
Oh yeah.
Gay, and it's in Brazilian language, Portuguese. Transgender.
Transvestite on Asempa
and then they're not straight. So you just don't go in and sit just anywhere.
Wow.
And I said go and be on the territory. Okomuna say we are straighter. You don't go to maybe the other because then Ujra will be waiting to be sold to when so when we entered our host our dear Corano or and what this whole thing means. Me say after me coach drink no crab meat me no me jina hona ha me just say me wey dream just say I
me call San Diego for and you a whole street gay pubs and all the pubs are gay pubs. Just across the street there is San Diego Pride. San Diego Pride is one of the most powerful gay lobbies in the whole of the US. Now, Oko San Diego Pride office the guys there are extremely intelligent. So you can say lecture. They can convince Jehovah ni evangelism material. They are extremely intelligent, and across it they have this Gay Pride Week.
Right.
The whole week is dedicated to gay
Asempa
activities.
FM.
Now, omo mega street carnival na kojo over 10,000 people on the street.
10,000. By this time, they say,
MMA G string on the street in the open. It is crazy.
Disgusting. Don't just
No, it's the gay part.
the same Brazil.
It's terrible.
If you like do your research, I was told about 75%
Asempa
of
FM.
their civil, kind of saying, they say ministries or from civil
Civil service.
civil service.
Yeah.
Okay. And you know why? I'm not blocking to say. So if you don't, you don't get
don't enter.
enter there, and they are slowly pushing the numbers. I hear it started from some zero, and almost push as at now around 75%.
The lobby is too powerful.
Civil service and again.
but you see, the fear. Because stop. As we are sitting here, the housing secretary of America is a gay.
Yeah, so you see, I know. On the partner, Burma, when they were on TV.
Say a club no more. Being sitting there. And housing is about number 5 of the secretaryship in their category. Defense, Secretary of State, Treasury. Now they are about health, national security, homeland security. The next is housing.
A big deal.
Big industry. If you assume it's always say you push people for the club. You know how many gay people?
Oh yeah. That's the point. Is Chairman, the gay lobby in America is a very influential lobby. Well, look, and there's a phone. Now what download the WhatsApp phone so your emojis now have characters that are gay characters. Once you have a phone. A mobile phone, I will download the WhatsApp.
So now they have
your emojis. No,
they have even managed to
bring it
into your room.
It is coming. Cartoons I will make
into your room.
It is just to my uni in San Diego. University of San Diego, a private Catholic university. A Catholic university. During the Gay Pride Week, the rainbow flag was everywhere on the Catholic university campus. I'm telling you. It's just to normalize the thing, not just
sorry, cry. Just some of these.
Obi, I see there was a statement be a Pope can be. What was it about?
Pope, they made a call.
What happened?
Say
they are against it.
They
are against it.
And the Catholic Bishops Conference issue.
They are against it.
They are against it.
They are against it. These are some of the things that they have to make sure it don't come into our territories at all.
Some of them have decided, say, they don't care. I can sorry be me person me bubodi. It be a popular pa. What I say, unfortunately for them, their counterparts in Ghana have a different view of position in such countries, and for me that is the fufu meso. So because there were times now even I think Presby Church in Ghana had to issue a statement to distance itself from the Presby Church in America. What I said, just because the American version was prepared to accept this gay marriage and all of that, and almost say no, and for me, those are the things we have to stand with. Because, Master, I believe in the Ghana we have. America,
the country we
they won't do anything for us. Germany, UK, I can put my last peso on it. Say we'll still survive.
Yeah.
Because with the resources we have, the human and
resource
natural resources combined. I think when we hear those things, when they come up boldly to tell us, look here, in fact, I think that is the wake-up call that Ghana needs.
Yeah.
Then we will stand on our own feet and fight for ourselves. Because time. Because sometimes you think, say, they are no more. What do they give us? Those pretense. They said they are vaccine. Almost I see their brain. Oh, I'm telling you. And we can say because my bro be now we can do once now. Come on, can't we buy?
Oh, that's all my society.
Yeah, can say Ghana. Adie we kuyen. Your contribution. Obi am fa kakran bra. Dem fan koto, dem fan kra vaccines. Office we yenye.
Let me person because I just say be almost society. Everybody is supporting.
Oh yeah.
We need to recognize
Trump showed.
It's not like that. It's not like that at all. The Christian community, America said the Christian community is huge.
Evangelicals,
speaking against it. Until me first, we have to be in a position with them. Those that they are against it, let's fight. It is not like we are losing. We are losing the battle. I say we are losing the battle. No, to the extent say because America 4 passing. Probably they are about 2%, but they are keep fighting. To make sure that they have a bigger organization. We have to try as much as we can work hard. Work in tandem and make sure say that bigger society, because majority of the citizens in the world are against it. It's that one the obi. We don't need to tone down.
Since of January,
we have to work and stop them forever.
Africa, Ghana, Accra, your MPs, every your friends saying
on Asempa
ballot papers on that same day earlier. Now America, Capitol Hill. Now your boo police for in America. And they christened it an insurrection. Those days who better insurrection now Africa. Somalia, Ethiopia, and then today, America of all countries,
and no other place than the capital.
No other place than the Capitol Hill, almost central, the central government
of
state.
American democracy.
It's a clear coup.
What you say? If these same people are the ones coming to tell us, whilst their democracy that they've sold to us has failed them that badly. Now, they want to show us what morality means. Then this time we are ready to do the worst.